Hey there, how are you? David Maddow here, the RV Dummy, and I just want to come on for a couple seconds today and let you know that I really, really appreciate you. I've been getting so many great comments to some of my videos I've done lately. I just have to tell you how much I appreciate you. And if you're new to me, I suggest you sign up for my VIP list. It's totally free. I'll tell you in a second what it gets you, but all you have to do is send me a text to this number right down below here and just put VIP in the, and that's all you have to do. And I'll put you on my VIP list. If you've done this in the past, you don't have to do it again. If you've done it, I've got a lot of you already on my list. And what that does, it gets you first crack at whenever I do a live video. And I have not done one for quite some time now, but I'm kind of itching to get back live with you guys and gals and hang out with you. We'll either do it by, the way we've always done it in the past has been by YouTube video live, but I'm also thinking about having a couple Zoom meetings where we can actually be a little more intimate, see each other and talk to each other and really have a good time talking about RVs and also maybe more importantly, life. So go ahead, text me your mobile number right here to that number and just put VIP. And I may even try to do one this evening. I'm not sure. As I'm recording this today, I may try to do a live one. So make sure you get your text in if you haven't done so immediately. I am very, very careful never to share your number with anybody and never to abuse it. You can ask my 100 plus VIPs. We've got a bunch of them so far. 100 plus VIPs. I would never, ever take advantage of having your phone number. I only will use it if I'm going live or if we're going to be scheduling a Zoom meeting in the future. I'll only use it for that reason. You can trust me. You know why? Because I am the RV Dummy. I hope to see you soon. And again, I really, really appreciate you. Thanks.